Welcome back to Aries Communication. Today we're reviewing the Huawei Mate 70 Air, a slim, powerful flagship aimed at users who want a large display, long battery life, and flagship camera features. I'll cover design, display, performance, cameras, battery, price tiers, and who should consider buying. The Mate 70 Air stands out with a large 7.0-inch LTPO AMOLED display in a very slim body. Expect crisp Full HD Plus resolution with adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate and extremely high peak brightness for outdoor use. The handset uses premium materials, a lightweight aluminum frame and durable glass. Despite the large screen, the phone remains surprisingly comfortable to hold thanks to thin bezels and a balanced weight distribution. Performance is handled by Huawei's latest Kirin chipset options, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast internal storage. The phone runs Harmony OS, which delivers smooth animations, efficient multitasking, and deep system-level optimizations. Camera hardware is a highlight. The rear system centers on a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, supported by a telephoto module and an ultra-wide shooter. Huawei adds a multispectral sensor that improves color accuracy and harsh lighting performance. Battery capacity is around 6,500 mAh, which paired with the efficient chipset and adaptive display yields excellent endurance, comfortably a full day and often more under moderate use. Fast wired charging is supported at about 66W, allowing quick top-ups when needed. Estimated price tiers for the Mate 70 Air are: entry model around US $590 for 12GB 256GB, mid-option near US $660 for 12GB 512GB, and higher spec at approximately US $730 for 16GB 512GB. Pricing may vary by market and taxes, but overall the phone offers strong value for users who prioritize display and battery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.